karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today on the eve of Christmas we are going to bake mixed fruit rum cake. So guys, for the full recipe all of you stay tuned. So guys, to make our Christmas special mixed fruit rum cake, so what we will do is I'll add about half cup of raisins. Okay, then to this I am adding some dehydrated pineapples. So then some dehydrated strawberries, and then dehydrated mango pulp, and some dehydrated kiwis. Okay, so to all this I am adding about 100 ml dark rum. Okay, so now I'll soak them in rum. Okay, and we will keep them soaked for almost 2 hours. Okay, so I'll mix them well so that they absorb the flavor of the rum. So then we will keep them soaked for 2 hours. Then we will start with the cake process. So when you soak it, so make sure you cover the container. So we'll keep it for 2 hours. So guys, to make our cake batter, so what I'll do is I'll take about 1 cup of sugar, and then I'm taking 3 eggs and slightly more than half cup of butter. Okay, so I will blend them all together. Now guys, after blending eggs, sugar and butter together, this is how it looks. So I'll add it here in my mixing bowl. Now guys, to this I will add about 2 spoons of baking powder, 1 and 2, and to this I will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Okay, so then I'm going to mix all of this together using cut and fold technique. Now guys, after mixing my flour to my batter, so my batter is ready. Now to this I will add that dehydrated fruits soaked in rum. So guys, I will only add the fruits, and the rum which is left I'll keep it. We will use it to prepare the syrup. So we will add all these fruits, and then I'm going to mix these fruits to the batter. So guys, all the fruits are added and the rum which is left. Okay, so I'm going to use it for the syrup. So guys, now after adding the fruits we will mix the fruits properly to the batter. And guys, now while I'm mixing it, you can see the color variations, you can see the different colors. Okay, so then we are going to bake it. So guys, after mixing the fruits to the batter, I'm going to pour my batter in my baking tray. So I have already greased my baking tray with butter. So now I'm going to add it. Then we are going to bake it. So guys, now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes. We'll check it after 55 minutes if it is ready, else we'll bake it for 5 minutes more. So guys, till our cake is baking, we will prepare the syrup. So for that I am adding about half cup of water, then 1 spoon of butter to it, and 3 spoons of sugar, and that leftover rum, so which was left after taking the fruit out. So I will add them together and we will cook it until the sugar mixes and our syrup starts boiling. Now guys, you can see it has started boiling and my sugar is completely dissolved in it. Okay, so my syrup is almost ready, so I have to just bring it to boiling point. So I do not have to boil it, but I have to just bring it to the boiling point. Okay, So now it has started boiling. Now I'll turn off the heat and my syrup is ready. So guys, I baked it for 55 minutes. Now see, our cake is ready. So nothing is sticking to my knife. Now I'll take it out. I'll place it on the cooling rack. So I'll let it cool. Then I'm going to take it out of the mold. So guys, I took my cake out of the mold. This is how it looks. Now using a barbecue stick, I'm going to make some holes in it. Now guys, after making this hole, the syrup which I prepared, I'm going to brush it over my cake like this. It will make my cake moist and it will add a very nice texture, flavor and taste to my cake. Okay, so guys, now I'll keep it for 5 minutes, let the cake absorb the syrup, and then we are going to cut a slice out of it. So guys, I kept it for 5 minutes. Now the cake has absorbed the syrup. So now we are going to cut a slice and let us see how it has come up. Okay, so guys, this is how my cake has come up. So you can see the fruit variations here and you can see the mixed fruits here. So guys, this was our mixed fruit Christmas rum cake. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more easy and tasty recipes. And all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.